So good morning everyone. So our next bit is third bit. Find the perimeter of the following rectangle. So they have given one rectangle, and for that we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means what? Adding all the sides. Okay. So all the boundary walls. If you add all the boundary values, that will be equals to perimeter. So find the perimeter of the following rectangle. So what is the rectangle here? They have given in this form. So length value they have given as 6x plus y, and breadth value is 3x minus 2y. Okay. So length value is 6x plus y and breadth value is 3x minus 2y. So for this we have to find the rectangle, a perimeter of a rectangle. So given length is equals to 6x plus y, breadth is equals to 3x minus 2y. So what we have to find? We have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Is equals to 2 into L plus B. So what is perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter I am writing in the form of P, and 2 is a constant value. Length value is how much here? 6x plus y plus 6 plus y, here plus is there, so plus b value is how much? 3x minus 2y. Okay. So now p is equals to 2 as it is, 6x plus 3x will be 9x, plus y minus 2y will be minus y. Okay. Now multiply the terms here. P is equals to 2 9s are 18x minus 2 into y is 2y. So this is our result. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 18x minus 2y. So this is our third bit. Okay. So next fourth bit I am doing here. Fourth is also same. What is that? Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are. Now we are finding the perimeter of a triangle. So they have given this figure. So each side they have given as, here b minus a they have given, here 4a minus 2b, and here 2a plus 3b. Okay. So for this triangle we have to find the perimeter value. So perimeter of a triangle is equals to, what we have to do? We have to add all the sides. These sides we have to add. That is b minus a plus 4a minus 2b plus 2a plus 3b. I am adding all the expressions, all the sides. Okay. So remove the brackets. b minus a plus 4a minus 2b plus 2a plus 3b. Okay. Now add and subtract the like terms here. So what are like terms? A terms. A term, A term, A term. So minus A, I am writing A as it is. Here the coefficient is minus 1. Here the coefficient is plus 4. Here the coefficient is plus 2. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 will be 5. So it will be 5A. Okay, now go to B terms. So what are B terms? This one, this one, this one. So what is the coefficient? 1. Here it is minus 2. Here it is plus 3. 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 minus 2 will be 2. So it will be plus 2b. So what is the perimeter of a triangle here? 5a plus 2b. So therefore, perimeter of triangle is equals to 5a plus 2b. So this is our result, final result. Okay. Next bit we are starting. Next bit now. Fifth bit we are starting. So what is fifth bit? Subtract the second expression from the first expression. Okay, from first expression we have to subtract second expression. Subtract second expression from first expression. So here fifth bit, subtract second expression from first expression they told. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to do from first you have to subtract the second one. That means first expression minus second expression we have to do. Okay, if they ask subtract first expression from second expression, means what you will do? 2 minus 1 you will do. That means from second expression you will subtract the first expression. Okay, so now we are doing 1 minus 2 here. So what is the first one in this? First one is 2a minus b and a minus b. So what is the first expression and second expression you write first. First expression is 2a minus b. Second expression is a minus b. So what we have to do? We have to subtract from 1. You have to subtract the second one. So it will be 1 minus 2. So what is 1? 2a minus b. We are doing subtraction. And second term is a minus b. Okay. Now, before bracket, if you are having minus sign, after removing the brackets, the sign will be changed. So, it will be 2a minus b minus a, it will be plus b. So, now you can solve. So, 2a minus a. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So, you will get 1a. Here plus b minus b will get cancelled. So, what is the answer? 1a is our answer. So, second one. What is second one? X plus 2y plus z and minus x minus y minus 3z. So here what is the first expression? First expression is x plus 2y plus z and second expression is minus x minus y minus 3z. So here also same 1 minus 2 we have to do because they told to subtract from 1 to second expression we have to subtract. So what is the first expression? X plus 2y plus z. From this you have to subtract the second one. What is second one? Minus y minus x minus y minus 3z. Okay, so before bracket if you are having minus sign, inside the signs will be changed after removing the brackets. So what it will be? X plus 2y plus z plus, here minus is there, so plus x plus y plus 3z. Now you can add the terms, add the like terms. X plus x will be 2x. Y plus 2y plus y will be 3y. Z plus 3z will be plus 4z. So this is our result of second question. Next, third one. So what is third one here? 3a square minus 8ab minus 2b square, comma 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square. Now again we have to do 1 minus 2. So what is first expression and second expression? First expression is 3a square minus 8ab minus 2b square and second expression is how much? 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square. So 1 minus 2 we have to do. So from the first expression subtract the second expression. So 1 minus 2. So what is the first expression? 3a square minus 8ab minus 2bc. What we are doing? Subtraction we are doing. So that's why I kept minus sign. What is the second expression? 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square. So this is our second expression. Okay. Now before bracket you are seeing minus sign. After removing the brackets you have to replace every sign with opposite sign. That is minus will become plus and plus will become minus. So 3 a square minus 8ab minus 2b square. Here plus term is there, so minus 3a square, minus is there, so plus 4ab, plus is there, so minus 6b square. Now add and subtract the like terms. A square terms you see now, plus 3a square minus 3a square will be cancelled. Okay, now ab terms, minus 8ab plus 4ab. So ab I am writing as it is, minus 8. The coefficient of ab is minus 8. Here the coefficient of ab is plus 4. So minus into plus will be minus, 8 minus 4 will be 4. Bigger number sign is minus. So you will get it as minus 4 here. Okay. Next b square terms you see. Here b square I am writing as it is. Here what is the coefficient? Minus 2. Here the coefficient is minus 6. So minus into minus is plus. 6 plus 2 is 8. Bigger number sign is minus. So you got it as minus 8 AB. So what is the result? Minus 4 AB minus 8 AB. Minus 8 B square. Okay. So next one. So what is next one? Fourth one. 4PQ minus 6P square minus 2Q square, and next expression is 9P square. Okay, so what is first expression and second expression? First expression is 4P square PQ minus 6P square minus 2PQ, and second expression is only 9P square. Okay, now we have to subtract 1 minus 2. So what is first expression? 4p square minus 6p square minus 2p q square. Here minus, what is the second expression? 9p square. Okay, so before bracket you are having minus sign. Inside the sign will be changed. Here it is plus 9p square. So it will be minus 9p square. So P4PQ minus 6P square minus 2PQ square minus 9P square. Okay, what are like terms? Only one like term is there. So this one. So 4PQ I am writing as it is. Minus 2Q square also I am writing as it is. Now you solve these two. So P square I am writing here. So minus 6 minus 9. Minus into minus will be plus. 9 plus 6 will be 15. Bigger number sign is what? Minus. So it will be minus 15p square. So this is our fourth solution. Okay. Next one. Fifth one. 7 minus 2x minus 3x square is the first expression. Second expression is 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So this is our second expression. Again you do subtraction here. So first expression 7 minus 2x minus 3x square. Second expression 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So we are subtracting from 1, 2 we are subtracting. Okay, that is 1 minus 2. So what is the first one? 7 minus 2x minus 3x square minus, second expression is 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Okay, now before bracket you are seeing minus sign. So inside signs will be changed. So 7 minus 2x minus 3x square. It is plus. Plus means it will be minus. Minus 2x square plus 5x plus 3. Now you can add and subtract the like terms. First x square terms I am taking. X square I am writing here. So what is the coefficient? Minus 3. Here the coefficient is minus 2. Okay. So minus into minus will be plus. 3 plus 2 is 5. Bigger number sign is minus. So you got it as minus 5 here. Next is x terms. So here coefficient is minus 2. Here the coefficient is plus 5. Okay, so minus into plus will be minus. 5 minus 2 will be 3. Bigger number sign is plus. So you got as plus 3x. Now you take the constant values. So what are the constant values? 7 plus 3 will be 10. So what is the result here? Minus 5x square plus 3x plus 10 is our result. Now, sixth one. So what is sixth one? 5x square minus 3xy minus 7y square is our first expression. Second expression is 3x square minus xy minus 2y square. So write first and second expressions now. First expression is 5x square minus 3xy minus 7y square, and second expression is 3x square minus xy minus 2y square. So we are subtracting from 1 to second term we are subtracting. So here 5x square minus 3xy minus 7y square minus, what is the second expression? 3x square minus xy minus 2y square. Okay. Now before bracket you are seeing minus sign. So inside the signs will be changed. So 5x square minus 3xy minus 7y square, it will be minus 3x square, this will be plus xy, this will be plus 2y square. Okay. Now add and subtract the like terms. So first I am taking the x square terms. So the coefficient is 5 here and the coefficient is minus 3. 5 minus 3 will be 2. I am writing 2 here. Okay. So next xy terms. Where are xy terms? This is xy term. This is also xy term. So I am writing xy. So the coefficient is minus 3 and plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2. Next, y square terms you take. Y square, here it will be minus 7 and here it is plus 2. So minus into plus will be minus. 7 minus 2 is 5. Bigger number sign is minus. So you got as minus 5y square. So this is our sixth solution. Next, last bit in this. Last one in this fifth bit. So seventh one is, what is the question? 5x square minus 3xy. Sorry, already it is completed, no? Next, last one, 6m square plus 4m square m cube. 4m square plus 7m minus 3, and second expression is 3m cube plus 4. So we have to subtract these two terms. So in this, first expression is 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3, and second expression is 3m cube plus 4. Okay. Now subtract 1 minus 2. So what is the first expression? 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3. With this you have to subtract the second expression, that is 3m cube plus 4. Okay. Before bracket you are having minus sign, so inside sign will be changed. So 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3 minus 3m cube. So this will be minus 4. Okay. Now see the like terms. So here m cube terms I am taking. So here coefficient is 6. Here it is minus 3. 6 minus 3 will be 3. So write here 3. Next, m square terms not there. So write as it is. Next, m terms are not there. Write as it is. Minus 3 minus 4 will be minus 7. So this is our solution for the fifth bit. So fifth bit, last one. Okay. So remaining problems will continue tomorrow. Thank you.